Sunday laundry day, but my sheets ain't the only thing, so peek through the blinds, watch you flex while you choke. The iron like it or your rent, shoulders gleaming with sweat. And I'm counting the cracks in my wall where your shadow gets wet. Every clink, all your weight's got my hips in sync. You rep, I bite my lip, call it parallel sync. Ain't no coincidence, my AC's broke when you're dripping in heat. Next door neighbor, but baby, you're zoned in my sheets. One wall apart, but you're deep in my rhythm. Heard you humming my name, was that fiction or wishing? If the flows are thin enough, let me drop you a sign. Unless you wanna first, I'm off at 9. Shaky boy minds on your spine. You borrow sugar, I got 2 cups to lend. One for your coffee, one for where this trend is. Your shower's too loud, or maybe it's mine. Steam writes your name where the tiles they divide. Yeah, your towel drop, damn right I timed it. Ain't no boundaries in a 500 for radius, define it. One step, you'll do better, 2 stride. Why each step, my knees record. 3 steps, your knees might fall, but 4, are we past decorum now? Shed a wall and a brand new drunk. Mailbox key, keep it, change my locks. Now it's your turn to epic through my slacks. Rose I can fit just how I like, man. Knock twice if you're staying past I am.